Hey, hey, honey. No, I can't do it because this guy.
All right, there's Hey Hey,
No, I don't
Quinn,
know.
and Honey,
I like to trap them in this corner.
the white ones.
Okay. Now this one looks to be Honey.
Hi, Honey.
This is Honey the chicken. Okay, Honey, I'll let you go.
Where's Boat Snack?
I'm going to try and get Boat Snack if I can catch it.
Boat Snack's somewhat of a rebel. Oh, there's Rudini.
Trying to get Hey. He's being a little.
So what made you want to get chickens?
I don't know. For the eggs.
For the eggs.
Get Rudini.
Hi,
So that's
Rudini.
Rudini.
Hi, Rudini.
This one gets Hey Hey. Which one's Hey Hey? This one's Hey Hey. No, go.
Oh, I told you, Hey Hey's a rebel. Boat Snack. Where's my Boat Snack?
She's eating. No, that looks like. That Rudy lost. That's all Rudy.
Where's Rudy?
Inside.
Oh, that's Rudini. But
Rudy's inside. Austin's
all right,
out
there's Austin. Hi, Austin.
No. No. Hey, stay.
Oh, it's okay.
Stay. Yes, get in that corner. Yes.
What are your chickens' names?
This is Austin.
Hi, Austin.
That wasn't very nice.
So we have Austin, Rudy,
Rudy, Austin, Hey Hey, Honey, Quinn, Rudini, Boat Snack, Hey Hey. And that's it today, folks. So, bye. Goodbye.